So I just want to show you guys what the Xbox One fan noise sounds like. I got this Xbox One on June 22nd. When I plugged it in, turned it on, it had this weird noise like a playing card in a bicycle wheel or something to that extent. It's not as loud as that, but when games start playing, you can definitely hear it from as far away as the couch. So let's see if we can actually hear the fan making this noise. So there you go. It sounds like a squeaky belt or some sort of strange noise like a bicycle wheel with the card in it.